This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Sharon McCallon Andrus. Very nice 3-bedroom 1.5 baths on a corner lot a short distance from the hospital. There is a shop that is 28 by 44, 2 large stalls heated and cooled, a 20 by 32 woodworking shop heated and cooled, and a 10 by 16 craft shop with air conditioner unit. The possibilities are endless. You have a he and a she shed. What more could ask for? Check this out. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon McCallon Andrus at 337-463-2121.